Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make your very own profile on Roblox. Well, how to make your very own account on Roblox. So you're going to type in roblox.com, or just type in Roblox, and then you'll click below roblox.com, and yeah, so you click that, and then a big roller coaster will appear under it, and yeah. So you're gonna type in the information right in that box that says birthday and stuff like that, and then once you'll type that, you'll click sign in, and then it'll take you over here. Like right here, it'll say, hello, your username. So then you can go on games, and then it'll show you a ton of games that you can play. And you can click one, like Phantom Forces, and then it'll show this, and then you can click play, and then do that download stuff. And then those games that you've played will pop up down here, and then sometimes you can go on recent games, default, and then you can go on default, popular, top earning, top rated, featured, recommended, my recent. So you'll click that, and then every single last game that you've played will be right down here. So then you can also go on my favorite, and those are the ones that so it'll show you the ones that you've liked and gave a thumbs up to. So you can, well, I don't have any right now because I can't thumbs up for some reason. I don't know why, but so you can do that. Well, and then so you can also go around and you can also friend people. Like I have 3 friends: Pocket Diker 12, whatever, Water Girl 24 something, and Will McCline. And only a few of your recents will be here, and then you can say, okay, so you can type in what you're up to and what you're doing, and only your friends can see that. Okay. Then there's a few games down here. People. And then all this stuff that you don't really need to know about. But there's also privacy and stuff. Privacy terms help if you really need help. There's pairing, blog, jobs, about us. And then if you'd like, you can use Robux. You can buy Robux with money. So, and then there's also settings. But my favorite part is where you get to so you can go around giving your character a ton of stuff. Feeling so funny, and I give him a laser gun. So if I can kill people in some games. I'm actually supposed to kill people, and I also have Meebot. Hi, my Meebot and me. Okay. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching how to make your own Roblox profile.